Hello everyone, welcome to First Ready Computer Training College. Today, we'll be taking you through KCSE Computer Project 2026, that is Azani Internet Service Provider System. We will do it step by step, starting with tables. First, we will create a database. We will open Microsoft Access, come to blank database, then we will name it Azani Internet Service Provider System. Then we come to create. Our first table will be table institutions design view. Institution ID, it's an auto number. Institution name, short text. Institution type, short text. Contact person, short text. Phone, short text. Email, short text. And finally, registration date and time. Our primary key is institution ID. We save and close this table. We come to our second table services. We'll come to create table design, service ID, auto number, primary key, bandwidth, short text, monthly cost, its currency. We will save this table as services. Then we will enter data. The question paper, we are being given the bandwidth and the amount charged. So you can see that currency is in dollars, but we are given Kenyan shillings. So I'll come to design view. Under format, I'll put Kenyan shillings. I need 2 decimal places. You can see now it's in Kenyan shillings. We close and go to table 3, table subscriptions. Yet, table design, subscription ID, auto number, primary key, institution ID, number, service ID, number, start date and time, is upgraded, yes or no. We save this table as subscriptions. We close. Our fourth table is table payment, payment ID, auto number, institution ID, number, payment type, short text, amount, currency, payment date and time, month paid for, short text. Payment ID is our primary key. We save and continue. We go to our fifth table, create table design. We are creating table infrastructure. So we start with infra ID, auto number, primary key, institution ID, number of computers, number, LAN nodes, number, LAN cost, currency. We save this table as table infrastructure. Our last table, we will call it table installation. We go to create table design, install ID, auto number, institution ID, number, installation fee, currency, installation date and time. Then we call this table installation. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, share and comment. In our next video, we will be creating relationship for tables in Azani Internet Service Provider System. Goodbye.